Hello everyone, welcome to our 30 days Python learning series. In this lesson, we will learn how to take input from the user in Python. What is input? Input allows our program to receive information from the keyboard while it is running. Sometimes we want users to enter their own data, such as their name, age, or marks. In Python, we use the input function for this purpose. The syntax is variable name equals input and then type the message within bracket. For example, we will take name as input. Wait, we will do a little formatting here. Next, we will take age as input from user. We will execute and see the result. Now we will take input of two numbers and we will add them. Let's see this. If we have to add numbers or integers, then we must convert them using int function like this. Now we will try, and here is the result. Mini exercise. Now it's your turn. Create a program that takes a student's name and marks as input and then displays them. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning Python with me. If this video helped you learn something new, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.